Brazil, Jamaica, you know.
Eesah,
Get the people have to rise.
alongside.
Aye.
And I said, rise, my people, rise, yeah. We shall overcome injustice in the land, yeah. Oh, I said, rise, my people, rise, yeah. Rise, my people, rise, yeah. Oh, I said, rise, my people, rise, yeah. We shall overcome injustice on the land, yeah. Oh, I say rise, my people, rise from all the struggles in life, yeah.
When we plant a seed, Babylon them they like it. They prefer seed with drowning in a poverty. This is the reason why they feed us with their guns and all them bullshit. We cannot trust them with the music, yeah. Lift up your head, man, stop on your feet, put a smile on your face and shine. Change up the ways how you look on things and everything will be alright. Meanwhile you're wasting time, coulda be the next in line. Most I showing your signs. Stop act like you're blind.
And I said rise, my people, rise, yeah. We shall overcome injustice in the land, yeah. Oh, I said rise, my people, rise, yeah. Rise, my people, rise, yeah. Oh, I said rise, my people, rise, yeah. We shall overcome injustice on the land, yeah. Oh, I said rise, my people, rise from all the struggles in life, yeah. Every day the youth rise and create a vision for take on the dream. Make the most of yourself, smile more often. One Psalms a day, get it through the morning. You will see a big difference in a life, you're king. Sister, go and hold the faith, you're queen. Chad with love in your heart, yeah. Gratitude on your mind. Believe in yourself, chat with confidence. Can't make Babylon tell us you're different. All when them fight, do not put up the defense. The most I shield will always prevent you from harms through those times. Guide on your way when you're feeling lost, yeah. So every youth have to stand up strong. And I said, rise, my people, rise, yeah. We shall overcome injustice in the land, yeah. Oh, I said, rise, my people, rise, yeah. Rise, my people, rise, yeah. Oh, I said, rise, my people, rise, yeah. We shall overcome injustice on the land, yeah. Oh, I said, rise, my people, rise from all the struggles in life.